Okay, I have decided to make a YouTube video, kind of a documentary on the Happy Place. The before that we have already videos of. I'm gonna try to tie them all together, and then the rebuild of it, and put it on YouTube over the next year. The progress. Don't know how it's going to turn out. The video, 'cause I've never done it like this before, as far as a video to be, but it's going to be kind of pictures of everything as it goes. I'm definitely not a pro at doing this, but I think it will be interesting to see what comes as we clean up, what we actually find that did possibly survive the burn of it. So many things we did lose. Some of them here, as you see. The equipment in here, different things, air compressors, where my smokers was, my grills, refrigerators, turnout gear burnt, workshop tables, tools, miter saws, table saws, compound saws, drill presses. Lifetime, 20 years of building this shop. It was more than a shed, as some people say you shed burn. Well, it wasn't a shed. It was a happy place. Tires on my trailer, brand new wood chipper. Fence down the back road here that sustained damage. My tractor was turned the other way, fuel tank, damage to it, building beside it, and then it's just a lot of stuff, a lot of memories. I think it will be it'll be fun documenting it as we rebuild. So stay tuned. Once I get it out there, follow me or whatever people do. It will be I'm figuring a year or 2 years before we get it done, but as I've said before, God's plan I will seek and follow, and nothing that is destruction, it's all be for His glory. So I'll close it right now, and this will be the start of it.